Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and it is time to bring out the FPV whoops and have some fun indoors because outside it is raining. Indoors we have two of the best FPV whoops here, and what's more, we have the Eagle Pro landing pads and Eagle Pro hoops set around my apartment to give myself that extra challenge that I was looking for. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. I'll take off from here, go through this hoop, we'll try to. And then there's a hoop in the middle right here, and there's a hoop right there, just at the entrance of my room. And for an extra challenge, we have one hoop stuck here. Check out this dude. This dude is always following me wherever I go. I may need to introduce this guy to you. Always follows people in my house and keeps recording 24/7. Alright, let's get started with the FPV whooping.
Take one.
Negative K, nothing further, just see the cabby in the corner.
I'm with you.
You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?